Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. What do we have today? Well, we got another set of power boards we just did for the Chevy Silverado. But before we get started, stop, hit the like button, get it out of the way, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate that. And if you like what you see in the video, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this YouTube video so you can see it. By the way, that is our telephone number. If you have good questions, we have better answers, or you can just go in the bottom of the YouTube video, ask me. We'll get to it eventually. So come on over here. You can see, I see my car driving away, again, going to get detailed for the weekend. And this is a customer's truck right here. Again, it's a Chevy Silverado here. And what did we do? Well, we put some Go Rhino e-boards on here. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, what I do like about this, there we go, a little dirt there. They come down a little further and they come out a little further here. Now, they got quite a bit of weight capacity. They used to have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Weight capacity is around 600 pounds, which should accommodate anyone, even Uncle Louie. What I like about this, I want you to take a look where the ground is versus the interior here. It's really directly in the middle there. They do have nice LED lights on there. Also, when you close them up, these got a super tight fit. I know the customer was interested in how tight they are, and they are tight. If you look here, they're almost completely camouflaged, but they do cover the pinch weld. I know a lot of times people hate to see the pinch weld, and it does cover the pinch weld quite nice here. A super clean look here. Now, a lot of times on some of the other boards, this one's not so bad because the Chevy itself has a little curvature here. You can't bring them all the way down. You have to stop before the curvature. So if people ask me, hey, why didn't you bring them all the way down? This curves out, so you can't bring them all the way down. So I always like to bring them up. Oh, it locked on me. There we go. Okay. Again, this is a great setup. Now, this one does not plug into your port underneath your dash. This one basically a little bit more, I wouldn't say simple set because this still takes a little bit of time to do. But I like these a lot. Now, we're going to put a 1-year labor guarantee on these as well. If you come in here really close to the camera, I want you to take a good look on how heavy duty these brackets are as well as the finish on this. This is a very strong board. I like Go Rhino. I've been putting Go Rhino on my personal vehicle for many years, and I think it's a great choice. Back in the day, you only had, when it comes to power boards, you had one choice. Now we have a couple choices, and I put Go Rhino right up there with some of the other higher quality, I wouldn't say higher quality, high quality companies. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oops, they locked again. Gotta love this thing. Okay. All right, and you can see really nice setup. Now again, we can ship these anywhere in the country. If you want to put these on yourself, we'll be happy to walk you through any installation questions you have if you buy from us. Now, if you bought from someone else and you're having problems, they have to help you. Now, a lot of companies who sell this product and do not install the product. Us, as you can see, we install it. You gotta love this lock. After a few seconds, keeps locking. But that's why I have the remote in my hand. I like this product. It looks good, functions good, great warranty, and again, Go Rhino has been around a long time. So again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. This is a review of the Go Rhino e-boards. Sorry, I knew it was gonna lock. On a Chevy Silverado. I believe this is a 2025. And oh yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe.